78, 986. Look at that ugly exhaust pipe. We should do something about that, huh? Yeah, we have to. All right, let's start it. Take a listen for the before. Come on, baby. There we go. Not too bad. New stainless clamp and a pipe straighter than, well, whatever it's straighter than. That's nice. That will look very nice. All right, clamp is on. All right, now, does she fit? Oh, she fits perfect. God, I hope she can get in the shed now. Yeah. All right, starting her up. Straight pipe is on. The 78 986 got 7,200 hours on it. It's naturally aspirated. I've thrown around turboing it, but for now, this might just be fine.